our captivating Science 8 educational video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of earthquakes. In this episode, we'll explore three important concepts: the epicenter and focus of an earthquake, the intensity versus magnitude, and the distinction between active and inactive faults. Let's get started. To begin, let's understand the meaning of the epicenter and focus of an earthquake. The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface directly above where an earthquake originates. It's the point that's typically closest to the most intense shaking. On the other hand, the focus, also known as the hypocenter, it is the actual location deep beneath the Earth's crust where the seismic energy is released. Although we cannot see it, the focus is responsible for causing the shaking we feel at the surface. Imagine dropping a pebble into a pond, creating a ripples that spread outward. This analogy helps us understand the epicenter and focus of an earthquake. The epicenter can be likened to the point on the water surface where the ripples are most noticeable, the center area where the effects are felt. On the other hand, the focus represents the spot where the pebble sinks into the water, hidden from sight but responsible for generating seismic energy. Now, let's apply this analogy to our community in Kabungahan. Picture yourself at school, going about your day when suddenly the ground beneath you begins to shake. In this scenario, the epicenter would be the point on the Earth's surface directly above where the earthquake originated, potentially near the central part of our community. It's easily identifiable location where the seismic activity begins. However, deep beneath the Earth's crust lies the focus, the hidden epicenter of energy release. It's like the secret source from which the shaking originates, far below the surface and not visible to our eyes. Moving on, let's explore the difference between earthquake intensity and magnitude. While these terms may sound similar, they measure different aspects of an earthquake. Intensity refers to the effects of an earthquake on the Earth's surface and is determined by factors such as the level of shaking, damage caused, and human perception. It is usually expressed using the modified Mercalli intensity scale, which ranges from 1, not fail, to 12, total destruction. Magnitude, on the other hand, quantifies the size of an earthquake based on the amount of energy released at the source. It is measured using the Richter scale or the moment magnitude scale. The Richter scale measures the amplitude of seismic waves, while the moment magnitude scale considers multiple factors such as the area of fault slippage and the rigidity of rocks. Magnitude is a logarithmic scale, meaning each whole number increase represents a tenfold increase in amplitude and about 31.6 times more energy released. Lastly, let's discuss active and inactive faults. Faults are fractures or cracks in the Earth's crust where movement occurs. Active faults are those that have experienced movement and generated earthquakes in recent geologic history or have the potential to do so in the future. These faults pose an ongoing risk of seismic activity. On the other hand, inactive faults, also known as dormant or dead faults, have not experienced any recent movement and are not expected to generate earthquakes in the future. Fortunately, Kabungahan is not located near any active faults. However, it is essential to note that fault activity can change over time as new data and research become available. Now, it's time for an exciting trivia challenge that will put your knowledge about earthquakes to the test and shake things up. Here's an intriguing question for you. What is the largest earthquake ever recorded near Kabungahan, Danao City, Cebu? You're absolutely right. The largest earthquake recorded near Kabungahan was a magnitude 7.1 earthquake on October 15, 2013, known as the Bohol earthquake. It is originated in nearby Bohol Island, approximately 50 kilometers southwest of Kabungahan, causing significant damage to buildings and infrastructures in the region. And that wraps up our exploration of the epicenter and focus, intensity versus magnitude, and active and inactive faults. Understanding these concepts is crucial for comprehending the fascinating world of earthquakes. Remember, earthquakes are natural phenomena that reminds us one of the dynamic nature of our planet. Once again, I am Dr. Rosemary Perez, your guide on this thrilling journey. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes as we continue to unlock the wonders of science. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.